upbeat music starts playing. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop and the Waitbird Steam Cleaner. If you have pets, kids, or a messy household, you're going to want to stick around for this one. First up, let's talk about price. The Bissell is priced at $144, while the Waitbird comes in at a more affordable $139. Many reviewers appreciate the value of the Waitbird, noting it as a great budget-friendly option. However, for just a few extra dollars, the Bissell offers a solid reputation among pet owners for its effective cleaning capabilities. It's like choosing between a regular coffee or a fancy latte. Both will wake you up, but one might just make you feel a little more special. Next, let's steam things up with cleaning power. The Bissell boasts a power rating of 1500 watts and claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness on tough stains, especially on old linoleum floors and grout. On the other hand, the Waitbird produces high-temp steam up to 248, making it a strong contender for those looking to eliminate dirt without harsh chemicals. Users have praised its ability to tackle everything from crayon markings to stainless steel appliances, making both steamers powerful options in their own right. Now, let's talk versatility. The Bissell comes with 13 versatile tools, which many users find handy for different cleaning tasks. Reviewers appreciate its ability to deep clean grout and its quiet operation in mop configuration. Meanwhile, the Waitbird doesn't back down easily with 21 accessories, making it a favorite among users for its ability to clean everything from floors to windows. Reviewers love its adaptability and efficiency, likening it to a cleaning buffet. What about ease of use? The Bissell is a 2-in-1 steam mop that can lift off for above-floor cleaning, which many users find convenient. Reviewers have noted that it's easy to maneuver and effective in cleaning various surfaces. Meanwhile, the Waitbird features a built-in child safety lock, making it a great choice for households with kids. Users appreciate its lightweight design and ease of assembly, making both products user-friendly in their own ways. And finally, let's not forget tank capacity. The Bissell has a 25-foot power cord, which is great for cleaning large areas without needing to switch outlets frequently. Reviewers value this feature for its convenience. However, the Waitbird has a larger 38 ounces water tank that heats up in under 5 minutes, which many users love for its efficiency. Reviewers have found it quick and effective, making it a great choice for those who want to tackle messes without delay. In summary, both the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop and the Waitbird Steam Cleaner have their strengths. The Bissell is highly regarded for its effectiveness in pet-friendly households, while the Waitbird shines with its versatility and user-friendly design. Both products receive positive reviews for their cleaning capabilities, making them excellent choices for different needs. So which steam cleaner should you choose? If you're a pet parent looking to save some furry friends while getting your floors spotless, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop might just be your best buddy. But if you want versatility and a cleaning companion that does it all, then the Waitbird Steam Cleaner is your go-to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which steam cleaner you'd pick and why. Remember, product links are in the description.